Hi there, welcome to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where I share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Hausa rice called Shinkafa with shea butter. Keep watching. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you. I'm sure most of you are aware of the benefits of shea butter to our hair and to our skin. But did you know that you could also use shea butter to cook? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. The dish that I'm going to be making today usually is called either Shinkafa, or the Ashanti people in Ghana call it Shinkafa. That's the way they pronounce it. Shinkafa in the Hausa language means rice. Okay, this is the kind of rice that specifically comes from the Hausa people, in Ghana. So I'm going to show you how to make that. Let's get cooking. to add my rice to it. Usually the rice I use for this dish comes straight from Ghana. It's the raw rice from Ghana, which has not been processed at all. But being that I haven't been home since my mom passed, I don't have that rice. So I did a little bit of research and I found this rice, which is equally as nutritious as the rice that comes from Ghana. I will attach the link to this rice to the video. Just so you know, red rice is actually the best. It's better than brown rice or black rice. It's the best rice. It does a lot for diabetes and it's good for weight loss and has a lot more benefits. I actually have a blog about it on my YouTube. Feel free to check it out. Welcome back. So this is my final product. My Hausa rice is ready and I'm going to taste it. I'm telling you, this rice is just so good. I love it. And if you notice, I'm also serving it, since I don't have any meat, I'm serving it with some beans. All right, that's something you can do if you're somebody who's not eating too much meat. All right, but you can make it with meat or without meat. It doesn't matter. Either way, it's very delicious. But just a heads up, this rice, it tends to be very hard. So you might want to allow it to cook up some more, not like regular rice. All right? So there you have it. Try it. Please comment. I would love to hear from you. Please comment and like our videos, give us some thumbs up, and share the videos as well. Remember, it doesn't take much to eat healthy. Always look out for your health. You have only one body. Take care of it. All right? We are so thankful. We're so grateful for all the support. And for those of you who still haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And every ingredient that I use that I know you wouldn't be able to find in Walmart, I'm going to attach it to this video. All right? Feel free to comment and let me know what you like. Until tomorrow, have a blessed, healthy, and safe day. All right?